Rise and shine, it's breakfast time. Cooking with the ProCut, John here, and today we're making French toast. If John can do it, you can do it. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you all. What are you going to need? Bread. We prefer the sliced French brioche from Trader Joe's. It's pretty good. You're going to need some eggs, butter, oil, lard, whatever you want for your pan, some maple syrup or whatever kind of syrup you want to top it, and we like a little cinnamon sugar, but that's an option. So what do we do? And a little bit of milk. So what's the first thing you need to do? Crack a couple of eggs, get them into a bowl or a small flat pan of sorts. I'm just using a little square container. So 2 eggs go in there. Keep the shell out. I just had to go in after a little piece of shell. Wash the egg off my hand real quick so I don't cross-contaminate anything with the possibility of salmonella. So you're going to go ahead and whisk those eggs up. You can use a whisk. I just use a fork. Whisk them up real good like you were scrambling eggs or something. And I'm going to add a little bit of milk into there. Just a little bit. And I don't know the reason why, you just do. I suppose you could leave the milk out if you wanted to. Not 100% sure of the reasoning behind the milk. Just something I always do. Alright. Now your egg mix is all beaten up. Take a little bit of butter or whatever you're using and put it in your hot pan. I'm using my cast iron because number one, cast iron's the best, and number two, it's the only pan I have. Tiny living. Alright, so you take your bread and you dip it down into your egg mix and then put it in the pan. Oh, let me get this butter scattered out a little bit. There we go. Seems easy because it's that easy. Pretty much all the recipes that I make are really easy. If the ProCut can do it, you can do it. We can get 2 in here. Let me go grab a plate. Alright, and just that fast you should be able to flip these over. At least the first one that we put in. We'll wait a little bit more on flipping that second one. And we're using a medium-low heat. How many slices of French toast do you want, Miss ProCut? 2 slices for the boss lady. Go ahead and flip this second one. Just adding a little bit more butter to the pan. Flip these back over to the other side just to brown them up just a little bit more. You want just a little bit of golden brown on there. And there are your 2 slices of French toast. Take and add you a little bit of cinnamon sugar. And however much syrup you want. Bon appetit. This one is going to Miss ProCut. I'm going to make 2 more for myself and let you guys know how they taste.
So fresh juice. Great.
One other thing you're going to need, Miss ProCut just said some orange juice would be great. So as soon as I get my 2 pieces in, I'll go ahead and pour her some orange juice. Flip them over. Hey, this is almost as good as cooking with Patty. Patty Joe's cooking. I want to see your version of French toast, Patty. And we got a little bit of egg wash left here. What do you do with that? Well, once this French toast is done, we're going to put this egg wash in the pan and make a little scrambled eggs for Donovan. And put it on top of his food, and maybe he'll eat breakfast that way. Put the eggs back in the fridge. In America, we refrigerate our eggs. Some places they don't. So another batch done, and they're mine. And then before I eat mine, I'm going to go ahead and add some more butter to the pan. And then I can put that egg in there. All right, and the eggs are cooked. Cut the heat off. I've still got plenty of butter in the pan, so I just take a paper towel and wipe out the excess and any bit of debris that's in there. Let that cool down, and it's ready for the next one. So I need a little bit of cinnamon sugar on mine. A little bit of that syrup. And we'll go in for a taste. Very good. French toast breakfast. Real easy to cook. If John can do it, you can do it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate you all.